Derek here at Cycle Country in Salem, Oregon. Spring is upon us. We are entering our riding season, which is super exciting. Most of our bikes have been parked for the winter, so I figured I'd take a few minutes, talk about what to look for after they've been sitting for a while. The first thing you're going to look for is kind of do a 360 walk around. You want to see if there's any fluids leaking, low tires, any tire rot, anything like that. If your bike has a chain, you're going to want to lube that, check it, make sure it's not loose, do what you need to do on that. Then you're going to want to check your levers. Make sure the clutch cable's good, make sure the brakes are working. You want to check the tread on the tires. You're looking for a 2/32 minimum of tire tread left. And once your bike you know is ready, roadworthy, you've turned it on, you've started it, check the lights, the signals, take it for a spin around the block, heat it up, check the oil. Make sure the oil, or the bike, sorry, is upright. It's not on the kickstand. You don't want to be that guy that checks the oil and tells the service department it's out, and when they get it, they put it up on a stand and it is level and there's plenty of oil in it. So, bike's good, ready to roll. So, you hit the highway. I like to use the acronym C when I'm riding. Search, evaluate, and execute. Search for things, you know, other cars, other bikes. Keep your head on a swivel, as old ball coach used to say. Evaluate what's coming up, what is past you. Did something just fall off the back of a truck? Things like that. And then execute. If you come into a situation that you need to make a maneuver quickly with little time, always give yourself an out when riding. You want to be safe. And then when you're not riding, since there's going to be more bikes on the road, and if you're just driving your car to work, watch out for motorcycles. There's going to be a lot more of us on the road here soon. We want to be safe. If you're out riding or in your car and you see a motorcycle on the side of the road, stop, see if they need help. We're all a big family. We all like to ride and enjoy the weather when it's nice here in the valley. And then they might just need to borrow your phone, you know, when you're driving, and keep water and blankets in your car. If you see someone stranded, go ahead and stop. So next thing we're going to talk about is proper riding gear, what to look for. It's probably been in storage all winter, and we'll be right back and we'll talk about that. Helmets. What type of helmets do we have? Make sure they fit properly. So you got your traditional full face helmets. You want to inspect your helmet when you start riding again in the spring. So make sure there's no cracks. You got a good visor. There's no scratches in it, anything like that you can see properly. You got the half shell helmets, and you got the 3/4 helmets. Good rule of thumb is to replace your helmet every 5 to 7 years or after an accident. Or if you like me and hang your helmet on the side of your bike on your handlebars and drop it, you know, a couple times a week, probably should replace it at least yearly, which is kind of what I do. So that's kind of our helmets, and we're going to go into the proper riding gear. You need to check your riding gear that's been in storage all winter. So want to check it for tears, make sure the zippers work. You don't want to be the guy in shorts and flip-flops riding down the road, because that never ends well. So got your boots, you want them at least up to the ankle. I like to wear a full jacket with pads and then a spine protector, and then I usually just wear jeans, but you can get some good riding pants, stuff like that, knee pads depending on your type of riding. If you're going to do dirt, get the chest protector, get the knee or the elbow knee pads, spine protector for sure, and then a good jersey that's a little breathable but is going to protect you. So after that, we'll go back to service. You got the right gear. Something just doesn't sound right with your bike. So you pull into our service department here, park your bike here, follow me in here. You're going to come through these doors to the Honda Premier service. This is where all the magic happens. So we do offer safety inspections on bikes. Super cool. Go in this way. Come through here. This is where the magic happens. Shh, got customers.
All right, we are all set. So I will give
Let's
you
see the guys.
all finished up.
Oh, bikes on lifts. Work being done. Everybody's getting ready for spring riding. So, thank you for your time today. Ride safe, have fun, and come see us down at Cycle Country.